Hello kids, let's know the name of these shapes. First we draw all the shapes and then we color. Black color. This is star shape. This is star shape. Star shape. This is square shape. Square shape. This is square shape. This is heart shape. Heart shape. This is heart shape. This is pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. This is pentagon. This is circle shape. Circle shape. This is triangle shape. Triangle. Triangle shape. Now we color all the shapes. Purple color. And the shape is star. Star shape. This is star shape. Yellow color. This is square shape. Square shape. This is square shape. Square shape. Pink color. And the shape is heart. Heart shape. Heart shape. Orange color. And the shape is pentagon. The shape is pentagon. Pentagon shape. And the color is orange. Pentagon shape. Green color. And the shape is circle. Circle shape. Circle shape. Circle shape. Circle shape. Purple color. Triangle shape. The color is purple and the shape is triangle. triangle shape, star shape, square shape, heart shape, pentagon shape, circle shape, and triangle shape. Bye bye kids, thanks for watching.